What this is going to be is a Vitamix mastery course just for you. You bought this $600 blender and you got no idea what to do with it besides make a smoothie. I'm going to show you the other things that you can do with it besides that. Now you might not recognize this attachment right here. This is the food processor attachment. And what we're going to be making today is shaved ice. If your kids have a sugar addiction like mine do, you don't want to give them ice cream all the time. You want something a little healthier than that. So we're going to make a nice strawberry shaved ice. We're going to use this Vitamix Food Processor Attachment to do so. Now before you get into using this piece of equipment, you need to actually use this one first. This is your regular Vitamix container, your 64-ounce Triton container. To make the shaved ice, all we're going to do is use these frozen strawberry cubes that I made last night in this machine. So I took a bunch of fresh strawberries, put in a little bit of maple syrup, blended it all to a liquid, froze it into my ice cube tray as you can see, and now we're going to use this machine here to shave the ice. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Brian, and I used to be a Vitamix demonstrator for years and years. I quit before I was able to get one of these bad boys right here, the food processor attachment. So now that I have one, I'm going to use it. Take out this little centerpiece. This is your small food chute, and this is the large food chute. We're not using the large one, we're going to use the small one. That's this one. Now what we're going to do is turn on the machine. It's going to start going. I should mention first to you that we're using this blade here, which is number 5. It's the large shredding blade. So put that on just like that. Lock the lid in good till you hear that snap, and now we're going to turn on the machine and go. Now, for those of you who don't know, you won't be able to adjust the speed. Once this is on, it's just on at whatever speed Vitamix has deemed that it needs to go. Now there is a pulse button. You can pulse over here like this, like that, or you can just turn it on. That's what we're going to do. Come and have a look at this. Now, what I have noticed is that you definitely got to make sure that you're keeping this lid thing close by so that way ice doesn't jump out at you, because that will happen. But look at that. That's pretty amazing. Now that is shaved ice. That looks really good. So now what we're going to do is serve it up. Get your ice cream scoop. Looks really cool. So now we've got some of this. Let's garnish it. Dropped into the Vitamix container. That one's dropped too. My hand's in here. Beautiful. And now we're just going to get some coconut. Now the best part is we actually get to try it. I gotta say, it does look pretty amazing. And I've never tried this before, so. Oh yeah. Let me tell you. If it was hot outside, this would be really, really nice. It's definitely a shaved ice, that's for sure. I mean, duh. But, you know, you kind of expect it to turn out almost like a smoothie or an ice cream, but it is actually exactly like you'd expect shaved ice to be. The kids are going to love this one. We should actually bring one down and have them try it. What do you think? I think that's a good idea. Go grab a kid. So, you guys can both dig in at the same time. Yeah, is that good?
Oh, it was so good. It's like different but good.
Would you eat that for dessert? Yeah? Good.
Tastes like fruity ice.
Well, that's because that's what it is.
Oh.
It's good that you like it because that's what's for dessert tonight.
Oh, okay. Well, here, I'm going to take that off your hand.
All right.
Hey!
Oh, well. If you like what you saw here, make sure you hit the subscribe button.
Yeah.
Make a comment down below as to which kid is your favorite. Sorry, don't say that out loud. Make sure you make this for your family. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, and tell me what you'd like to make next. Have a good one.